Man accidentally stabbed himself to death during dispute in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man is dead after he reportedly stabbed himself accidentally during a dispute on the Hayes Main Road in Clarendon on Saturday. The deceased has been identified as his alias Raga, a 44-year-old laborer of Jasmine Place, Newtown Phase 1, Clarendon. According to a police report, during an altercation, Watson stabbed at a man, missed his target and accidentally stabbed himself in the region of his groin. He later succumbed to his injuries. The police have since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.